In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an older version of a file in Google Drive. If you've ever uploaded a new copy of a PDF, image, or other non-Google file to the same name, Google Drive keeps the older versions tucked away. That's handy for rolling back, but it can also take up space and create clutter. Here's how to clean that up safely and intentionally. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to drive.google.com. This process is designed for the desktop version of Drive. Make sure you're signed into the right account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts, so you don't delete versions from the wrong file. Next, locate the file that has older versions. This method applies to files like PDFs, images, videos, and other uploaded items. If you're working with Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, version history is handled differently inside those editors, so the option we're about to use won't appear for them. When you found the file, right-click it to open the context menu. From there, choose File Information and then select Manage Versions. This opens a dialog that lists all the stored versions of that file. You'll typically see the upload date and the file size for each version, which is useful for identifying which copy you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the intended version based on the timestamp and size, so you don't remove something you still need. Inside the Manage Versions dialog, find the specific older version you want to remove. On the right side of that version, click the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. In that small menu, choose Delete. You may be asked to confirm. Once you do, that version is removed from the version list for this file. The current version of the file remains intact, and you'll still see the file in your drive. You've only removed the historical copy you no longer need. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. You'll need edit access to the file to manage its versions, so if you don't see the Manage Versions option, you may not have the necessary permissions, or the file may not be the type that supports version management in Drive. Also, be deliberate when deleting versions, because once they're gone, recovering them may not be possible. And that's it. You've just learned the clean, direct way to delete an older version of a file in Google Drive without touching the current file.